How the COVID outbreak led to a shocking, backyard, tea discovery that's now helping thousands of exhausted, sleep-deprived 3 a.m. floor pacers achieve deep restorative sleep in minutes. This amazingly simple yet powerful sleep solution may be the only positive news to come out of a recent coronavirus test reported by one of the top-ranked medical schools in the world. 1. It has to do with the discovery of a strange chemical substance hidden inside the brain that some experts are now calling the stop sign of the brain, because it literally tells your mind to stop worrying, stop racing, and stop stressing in a matter of minutes. What's even more exciting is how just about anyone can increase this natural sleep-supporting chemical inside the brain by drinking 6 to 8 ounces of a delicious nighttime tea. That's been scientifically validated in a famous sleep tea study to help stressed out and anxious folks, even those worried about recent world events, work, family drama, or those who get anxiety leading up to bed, fall asleep within 30 minutes or less. No problem. And better yet, this mysterious sleep tea can help you stay asleep, so you can wake up refreshed every morning, just like you had as a carefree kid during summer vacation, where you'd sleep like a rock until the sun would beam through your window and awaken your body with refreshing energy to tackle the day. Instead of what may be taking place now, where you have to slam the snooze button a half dozen times each morning because you had a rough night and are trying to scrounge up any last few precious minutes of sleep you can. So listen. If you're sick of being a light sleeper, where it feels like just about anything wakes you up and you can't go back to sleep, while your spouse lays there like a hibernating bear, or maybe you're the victim of those late-night demons that bombard you with racing thoughts the moment you lay your head on the pillow, which leads to another night of endless tossing and turning in bed and pacing the bedroom floor. Then pay close attention, because what you're about to discover is a sleep breakthrough that will allow you to quit the weird sleep hygiene rituals, where you have to turn off your phone an hour before bed and read a book instead of watching your favorite TV show, or plug into some woo-woo sleep meditation app and count sheep or try to do simple math problems in your head to put you to bed. And instead, just decide when you want to go to bed like a normal sleeper, and without an ounce of anxiety. Lay down, close your eyes, and fall into a deep sleep that restores your body and mind and has you waking up with spring out of bed energy like a kid on Christmas morning. And I get that those kinds of promises may be hard to believe. It may even tick you off, especially if you've tried everything in the book to fix your sleep, like buy ugly blackout curtains for the bedroom. Or maybe you've switched over to a more expensive mattress, weighted blanket and pillow, or given up coffee, alcohol, and processed foods. And you're frustrated as hell because nothing seems to give your body the deep sleep it desperately craves. And it's turning you into a miserable short-tempered grump who's no fun to be around. That's why in just a minute, I'll share the mountains of new research that will show you just how simple and possible it can be to get amazing sleep every night starting tonight. And you'll likely be shocked when you find how the same sleep remedy I'll share with you today was also used during World War I to help soldiers with even the most intense form of shell shock become more calm, relaxed, and improve their sleep. Even some religious cultures use this mysterious flower-based tea to tell the biblical story of Jesus Christ's death and resurrection. I'm not a spiritual man, but there may be a divine connection that makes this flower a sleep-supporting miracle. If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. And I promise it's something that you've never heard of before, because over the last several decades its praises have been muted by certain government powers. In fact, this natural remedy was once approved by the FDA, but then silenced by big pharma companies. Not because it was unsafe or ineffective, but because none of the big wigs at these pharmaceutical companies wanted to sponsor a sleep-enhancing flower because they can't profit off nature's medicine. So it's fate that you're here. And I hope that you read every word on this page. Because the powers that control the web are in bed with Big Pharma, so I don't know how much longer this information will be available. Especially once I share how a chemical compound inside this mysterious flower was once used by the Germans in World War II as a borderline ethical truth serum to induce a euphoria-like state and extract insider information from enemy soldiers. How this flower was used by the Aztec and Inca tribes in South America to achieve almost immediate calmness for the mind and relaxation throughout the body to quicken sleep. How it's incredibly safe and can be just as effective as certain sleep pills and syrups to save you money from being ripped off by the $28.6 billion sleep industry. And just how simple it is to recreate this bedtime tea in the comfort of your own home in a matter of seconds. All of this and more in just a few minutes from now. But before I tell you exactly what this mysterious sleep tea is, and how you can brew it from home using a handful of ingredients, some of which may be growing in your backyard or hiding in your kitchen cabinets right now, let me first introduce myself and share how I stumbled on this exciting new sleep breakthrough that's going to simplify your bedtime routine and knock you out starting tonight. Hi, I'm James Klein. And over the past 2 decades I've helped regular folks use natural nutritional methods to improve their life and health, without requiring fancy diets or vigorous exercise or anything like that. And today you're going to discover a little-known backyard tea that takes about 7 seconds to make, that will quickly strip away the stress and anxious build-up before bed, and help you not only fall asleep fast, but stay asleep until your body is fully refreshed to tackle the day. And I know that sounds almost too easy. Which is why in just a few moments, you'll discover the exact ingredients inside this mysterious nighttime tea, the shocking new science behind each ingredient, and how it's recently helped thousands of folks go from restless 3 a.m. night walkers to sleeping like a baby almost instantly. If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to watch the full content.